You right there, ladies and gents, how is it going? As you can see, I'm out on Daffy, my wonderful V-Strom 800 RE. I'm out with MrFish. We're heading down to Selsey Bill, or Selsey, not sure whether we're going to the Bill or not. But yeah, nice little day out on the bikes. It's not an awful day, but it is very grey. It's a bit chilly, getting used to these colder weathers. Thrown on my ruckers for this one. I don't think it's going to rain today particularly, but it is, like I say, just a little bit nippy in the air, 13 degrees or something like that. And yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. Even put my heated grips on. But yes, going to find a nice little route down there, and it should be a good day.
Keep that bud. Rubber side down.
Oh, by the way, if you have a V-Strom or even a KTM 690 Enduro R and you want cruise control for your motorcycle, do check out the links down below and the video up in the corner, because you could have a Viridian cruise control with a 12% discount. Affiliate link, I get a commission on that, but yes, it's brilliant. I love it on this bike, and I'm contemplating fitting it to my 690 Enduro R2. So yes, links down below. So I've not ridden out on Daffy properly for quite a while now, and I've been out playing on both my 690 Duke and my 690 Enduro R, and I feel very much spoiled by those, and they're lightweight. This is about, I think, 225 thereabouts kilograms wet. The heavier of those bikes, the Enduro and Duke, I'm not sure, but they're both around 160 kilograms wet thereabouts. I imagine the Enduro is probably a little bit heavier because I've got some accessories on it. But anyway, yeah, so that's wow, that's like over 60 kilograms heavier on this bike versus them, and I'm definitely feeling it. And my arms, so I've got problems with my arms, I'll go into them in a second, but my arms are quite uncomfortable on this now. I used to be really comfy on this bike till I got those, and they've got wider bars, which I actually got rid of off of this, but it's not the wideness of them that's, I think, is the problem. It's how swept forward they are. They've got like a little tip up at the ends of the bars, so I need to slacken it all off and just tilt it back a little bit, which will also shorten the distance to the bars for me, so it'll have like a double effect. It will get rid of that tippy up on the ends of the bars on the grips, and it will bring it closer to me, which will make it a little bit easier on my old shoulders. Yeah, talking to my shoulders, I went to the doctors yesterday, actually it was, and I've been diagnosed with having tendonitis in them due to the surgery. So that's one of the long-term effects that I'm having to deal with at the moment. Good thing is that it's been diagnosed, and now I can have some physiotherapy, so I'm waiting for the referral for that to come through, and yeah, life will be good. I have faith that I will get as close to back up to health as I possibly can by the end of all of this shenanigans. I am doing really well regarding the heart attack stuff. I have got issues. Well, I've had issues beforehand, but they're a different thing. They're a perversion rather than anything else. No, I do have health issues still, but I am doing very well, and I'm really pleased with how well I am recovering. That was quite nice.
Alright, isn't it?
Yeah, like some really nice little twiddles.
Yeah, I don't mind going through little villages and stuff like that.
Yep.
Got little roads.
Yeah, nice houses, beautiful roads.
Yeah, I think, oh, I could live here.
Yeah.
Oh, I could live here.
Yeah.
Oh, I could live here.
Yeah. One of the things that I like about coming out with MrFish is it's always a good route. Same as with Big Pezza, they're both very good at putting routes together. Although Fish does cheat, he does use Kalimoto, which is what we're doing today, is another Kalimoto run. He noticed on his map he hasn't been to Selsey on his Kalimoto map thing, so yes, we're filling in that part of the map for him today. Talking of map fillering, another channel I follow, Calm Biker, he's one of the early ones I started following, and I've been following for many years now. He's a cracking bloke. He come down to the Mistral's Adventure meetup. It was fantastic to actually meet him in real life. But yeah, he does a drawing lines on the map type thing and trying to cover all the roads in his county, I think. So he's got some good videos if you're interested in Yorkshire stuff. I think it's Yorkshire he did. So yeah, this does look like it is going to be another cracker of a route. Proper twiddly little lanes, proper twiddles, nice. Wow, we're not going to get past that one in a hurry. What a very nice man. Yeah, nothing worse than getting stuck behind a big old high-sided van on twiddly country roads like this that are national speed limits, eh? So very much appreciated indeed. And I thought we were just about to have another one, but they're fortunately parked. Nice. Yeah, so a lovely route to follow today. Really looking forward to it. Should be good. Oh, this road is mega. This road is mega. Who would have thought it that this was a 60-mile-an-hour jobby, eh? Who would have thought it? Lucky to do 30 on bits of it. Oh, I've had the heated grips on for a little bit, glad of them, but they're getting a little bit warm. I still haven't worked out in over a year of owning this bike how to adjust the heat settings on them. The Suzuki instructions were far from helpful and made no sense. I am about to join the cycle brigade almost officially. It's an e-bike I'm getting. I've already got an e-bike, I know. I got that when I had my heart attack. I wanted to get a little bit of exercise, and I've been using that quite a lot to cycle to work. In fact, most of the time when I've been going to work, I've been cycling in, and it's been fantastic. I love that bike, it's great. Hugely practical, but it is quite heavy, and it's just a little bit limited. It is a commuter bike or a cargo style bike, so it's not really designed for mega trips, although I probably could quite easily go bike camping with it. But yes, I've just ordered a bike through my company's Ride to Work scheme, so I've got a tax break on that, tax free, and I've ordered a Trek full suspension e-mountain bike Chopperoonie. And I can't wait to get that. Again, by the time this video comes out, I would have probably gotten hold of that. So I'm very much looking forward to putting that through its paces too. This year is the year of the bike for me, isn't it? With 4, basically, if you count the bicycles, the e-bicycles, new bikes for me, even if 2 of the actual motorcycles were not brand new. One of them was as good as it, really. 35 miles on the clock, that KTM Enduro. Talking of things that are going to be out or have happened by the time this video happens, the Enduro R, the Adventure R, whatever I call it nowadays, should have its graphics on it. So I've got that sorted. They messaged me yesterday saying that they're being printed, and I ordered a new set of wheels for it as well, because I want to have a set with 50/50 tyres on it for sort of summer use, and then a set with more chunky knobbly tyres for slimy winter mud, and they should have arrived too. So yes, definitely going to be doing some trail riding on that very soon if I've not already done so. So I can't bloody wait, I really can't. Mega excited about that. So a lot of the roads that we're doing today are cutting across almost at right angles the roads that I normally do, and we're wiggling our way along. Some of the ones that we normally do, and then these newer ones to me. And it's quite fantastic seeing all these beautiful new places that are just next door to where I've been riding for years and years and years. I do love a good explore, I really do, especially in your local sort of area where you find all these wonderful nooks and crannies and tight sunken roads. It's just absolutely amazing. I love it, love it, especially when they're in 60s. Not that we're doing anywhere close to 60 mile an hour, but it is nice. Now, I have been along here recently. This brings us out at a reservoir, yes, or a lake pond type thing, which is very pretty. It is really nice.
You need a photo?
Well, that was cool to actually stop there and grab a picture. Sorry to the people whose house that is. Yeah, I don't think I've ever actually managed to stop there and take a picture before. It would have been nice if it was a prettier day, but it's what it is. But yeah, very lovely, very lovely indeed. So going left that way, I think sort of takes you down towards Bignor Hill. But this is Duncton Hill. And if you get a clear run at it and you're on a sportier bike than this, or even this, it's quite a lot of fun climbing up here. It's reasonably steep for a tarmac road, and it's got some nice bends, but we're behaving ourselves today. Good viewpoint there too. Nice. And all that was done well within the speed limit. Perfect. Well, there was a cracking little stop down at the beach cafe. My battery ran out earlier, so I wasn't able to film the last little bit of getting here. But we went down to Selsey, had a look at the sea from there, and then came over to Bracklesham Bay to get some lunch, which was fantastic. Thank you very much for buying lunch, Mr. Fish. It was very tasty. Nice. So it's a bit of a shame that the battery ran out earlier on the way down there. I think I'm probably going to have to get a new set of batteries for this camera. I had hoped that GoPro were going to bring out a new one, but they brought out a no 360 camera instead. So yeah, stuck with my Hero 10 for a little bit longer. Not the end of the world, it's a cracking camera, but it is a bit tired and old now. Well, although it is very pretty down here, and we are kind of snarled up in some traffic, and we are about to stop for cake and tea, so I guess that's the end of the video. If you have not done so already, please do click the subscribe button, and definitely do go and follow Mr. Fish. Check out his content too, links down below. And yes, if you like the video, please do give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down, or do not mind at all, but please do drop down a comment. Anyways, with this wonderful floodplain and view, you have a lovely day, you take care, ride safe, and we shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.